Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out.
Hi friends, this is Julie from Familia, and this is our 2018 Christmas home tour. Welcome to our home. So during the home tour, I will be giving you some ideas of where you can get some of these things that we've gotten. A lot of the things that we have here are from years past. I kind of tried to use a lot of what we had already in store. I didn't want to buy too much. For instance, like this wrinkled table runner, I did not iron anything for some reason. That was from last year's Target dollar spot, and this Joy sign was from Dollar General from a few years back. This towel here that you see on the stove was from the dollar spot as well. I think it was from last year, as well as a thankful sign that came from actually the fall stuff that was out at the dollar spot at Target. And that Joy little ornament was from the Dollar Tree from like 5 years ago, but we kept it, so I used it and it worked. This year, this flocked wreath that you see here is actually from Walmart. It only cost me $10, and I loved it so much that I bought another one for the outside of the house, as you saw. Those cotton stems were also from Walmart. It was like $5 a piece. That Christmas tree, that wooden Christmas tree, was from Target. I believe it cost me like $5 as well. And that's our doggy Lula. That's Max, for those of you that don't know him just yet. So we'll come back to the tree and everything under it. These 3 trees up here were from the dollar spot at Target. I flocked them because that's been the theme this year, as well as these stocking hangers and the little houses in the back. That was also from Target, as well as the stockings, and those were from Hearth and Hand, and I love them. In our living room, we don't have too much going on, but I decided to kind of make things feel warm and cozy by using this fireplace backdrop here, just from YouTube. And here, actually, a few weeks ago, we got some pictures taken. Actually, we took them ourselves. And maybe in another video I can kind of show you guys how we did it, so you guys can save money on family portraits. You really don't have to go out and pay a photographer to do this. You can save a lot of money. So I changed the pictures on the frames to obviously make the place feel more like Christmas. This garland here, as well as those metal houses and the lights, those twinkling lights in the back, our fairy lights, they're also from the Target dollar spot. And here, one way to quickly change your space up is by using throw pillows. But here we've got a letter that our kiddos wrote, or Esther actually wrote, to our elves, Emmett and Juliet. By the way, our table is all banged up. Thank God for that, because obviously our home is lived in and our children have fun on that table. They play a bunch of games, so the reason why it's all looking like that and in need of another coat of paint is because we are living in this home. So and there are 2 elves playing a game of tic-tac-toe. You will see throughout our house sprinkled with cherries, like just regular plants. Of course, those cherries I bought, they were fake. And I zoomed out too quickly out of the throw pillows, but those were all from Target and some from IKEA. This is our guest bath, and these are just a few details that I put up on the shelves. That Christmas trees sign that came from Marshall's, as well as the snow globe and the towel that was from last year. This sign that says wash your hands and say your prayers because Jesus and germs are everywhere, this came from Kirkland's. It's one of my favorite things in their bathroom. Sometime in another video I can go through this bathroom and how, or what we did to make it over on a very, very small budget. But here we are headed to the girls' room. Of course, they make their beds, they do all that kind of great stuff, so yeah, it's not perfect. This wreath here was from the dollar spot at Target from a few years back. I couldn't tell you what year, but this is their Christmas tree. We decided that the best thing to do was to give them a Christmas tree that they can decorate and, you know, make it look as creative and as colorful as possible for their taste, so they can leave our Christmas tree alone, the main Christmas tree alone. But so far so good, it's worked out. This coat rack that you see here is the DIY one that we made a video for not too long ago. I'll actually link it up in the sky so you guys can check it out. And this here is our flocked 6.5 foot Christmas tree from Walmart, and our crooked star, but I love it. I love all the quirkiness that this tree has. It's what makes it ours. I absolutely love this tree. Not only did we get it on a budget, but we were able to utilize the ornaments that we had from years past that we've collected over the years, and it worked out because it goes with the theme of the actual tree. I would say that this tree looks great with anything rustic. It's a beautiful tree. I would say throughout the years, from all the trees that we've had, this is by far my favorite. And these are all ornaments that we've gotten in different places. Some we've gotten at the Dollar Tree, some at Walmart, some were like this burgundy one here that was from a pack that my aunt gave me. The star that was from Dollar Tree, and those other rustic looking ones, most of them came from Walmart. So Walmart definitely stepped up their game. I don't know what you guys think about that, but I know for sure I'm loving the things that they've put out. So being Hispanic, we celebrate until January the 6th, and some until much later. Tell me, are you guys the type of people that will take down your tree right after Christmas? I would love to know in the comments down below. And this is a final shot of the tree. By the way, that tree skirt came from Target, and it's lovely. I love it. It's very durable. Obviously, you saw Cat Max under it, so he definitely loves it too. Very cozy. I'd love to know from you guys down in the comments below, what was your favorite part of our home Christmas tour? I would love to know what you guys thought. And of course, we could not have Christmas decorations without having background music playing as we are doing the tour. So that's what I was listening to while I was doing that. But that is all for this tour, guys. I hope to have you guys back soon on another video. Thank you so much for staying tuned, for watching, for subscribing, for liking, for commenting, for sharing, and all that good stuff. I hope that you guys had a great Merry Christmas, and that this upcoming New Year you guys can see all the blessings that the Lord has for each and every one of you guys. Thank you for hanging out with me and watching until the very end. Please don't forget to subscribe. You don't want to miss the content that we have coming up for you guys this year. It's going to be amazing. So don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys very soon. This is Julie checking out. Be blessed.